Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are going to unbox the March 2018 Boxycharm box. But before we get started, if you could please go ahead and subscribe down below and like this channel if you want to see more content like this. It helps me really kind of know what we want to see here. So this is actually my very first Boxycharm. It is a monthly subscription box that contains 4 to 5 full-size makeup, self-care, skincare products. It is $21 per month, and that does include shipping. I've been part of a few other subscription boxes before where there's the cost and then there's an additional shipping price. So that like $35 subscription box all of a sudden becomes a $45 one, and that kind of gets a little pricey. So I really think that this is a really good price point. You get like large full-size products in it for 20 bucks a month. Not bad. So let's take a look at this one. So this is what the box is, and the thing is awesome about this is this fits in like a normal mailbox. I know that's like kind of a weird thing to be excited about, but I'm not home during the day to get deliveries, so this fits in my mailbox, and that's like, it's awesome. I've had packages stolen. It's a mess. So we've got our Boxycharm box, and oh, look at all the goodies. All right, so each box has a theme, and this one is vacation. So Boxycharm recently took a bunch of influencers in the beauty industry on vacation to somewhere in Mexico. Oh, I can't remember the name of it, but some beautiful, gorgeous place. That's actually what got me hooked. And then the back of the card will tell us all we've got in here and the value of the box. So first thing I see is this. Can you see it? It's a blush by Pretty Vulgar in the shade Prim Vixen. So let's read. So, make them blush, Pretty Vulgar blush. It is a MSRP of $26. So right there you've already got the value of your box and then some. So this powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. Silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. It's buildable, which I love in all products. Can be worn alone or paired with a multidimensional pop of color. So it looks like a pretty bright pink, but I feel like because they say it's buildable, it's going to be a little sheer. Let's do just a really quick. Ooh, that feels really nice. So it's not super as bright as it looks, but you can see that the color does build and it's nice. Let's actually just try it with a little brush to see how it goes on. I feel like finger swatches are not the best way to tell. Oh yeah, oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Think of perfect for the spring box. Think of all like the really nice spring looks we can do with a really nice pink. So that is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. Next is a Bellapierre volumizing mascara. I just forgot how to read for a really quick second. So this is a $20 mascara. It is long-lasting volumizing mascara formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. I have lashes on, so I'm not going to try it right now, but the true test is the wand. Although I do like this packaging. It's really nice. It's very chic. It's got a nice weight to it. This is in the color, doesn't say there, black, just black. Okay, so let's take a look at the wand. It is just basically your basic run-of-the-mill classic works and can get in the small places wand. All right, I'm excited to try this. I've been kind of looking for a new mascara. I've been using the Carbon Black Volumist for a while now, and we'll see how this one goes. I'm always down for some volumizing for thicker and fuller. Okay, so next is South of Maine Eye Gel Packs. These I am so excited about. if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm on a mission to rid myself of the bags and the dark circles. So these under eye gels from South Maine, sorry, retail for $10, are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to enhance that look to make you feel rested and refreshed. Perfect, exactly what I'm looking for. So let's see, so you thoroughly cleanse your area, which I'll do where I wash my face tonight. Apply it under the eye, leave it on for 30 minutes. So this will definitely be what I wear while I watch the next episode of Queer Eye. To reduce puffiness and dark circles, use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So I wonder, maybe we'll do this as a morning routine. I feel like to reduce puffiness and dark circles, we'll do it in the morning. I'll let you know. Watch my Insta stories. I'm sure it'll be on there. All right, next we have Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Brush Set. Looks like there's 3 brushes in there. These retail for $23.15. This brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. So, okay, let's see what the brushes do. Oh, and look, the back, I don't know if you can see, gives you step-by-step on how to use the actual brushes, which is kind of handy. So you've got a shadow brush to create a oh gosh, they taped the hell out of this box. Where's my scissors? Sorry. So I want to show you guys and see if they're fluffy. Got it. Okay, so Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set Trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. This must be the shadow brush because it says step 1 for the money. Oh, that's cute. Okay, pack a darker color with into your crease with your angled shadow brush, and this says step 2 for the shadow. Cute. Cool. And then the smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, and alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash. So this is what I would use for my under eyelashes, my under eye area. And it says step 3, go girl go. Super toot. All right, so it doesn't say, ooh, these are really soft. It doesn't say if they're synthetic or natural. If that's, oh here, let's see. It's a British brand. Ooh. Please recycle the packaging, made in China. Oh, it comes with a little 25% off code on the box. It's Smokey 25. So it doesn't say if they're synthetic or natural. Just guessing by these kind of little stragglies here and how really, really soft they are, I would guess they're natural fibers. I'm not sure. I'll research it and I'll find it and I'll put it in the comments, but they're very soft. I don't know. I guess we'll see how these work. I think a smoky eye would probably be the best application. They're not like real round fluffies, and they're nice and narrow, but they're nice. They have a really nice feel to them. I'm excited to use these. You know, I always love extra brushes. So that's that. And then finally, the pièce de résistance that was what I wanted is the Boxycharm and Care Cosmetics collab eyeshadow palette. It is also taped real good. Oh, stickers. Maybe I should have opened this first to get all the stickers off before. Okay, just 2. Okay, so let's try this again. Dun da da da. Eyeshadow palette. Look at those colors. Freaking gorge. Alright, so there are 12 shadows in here. It's a really nice mix. It looks like a lot of shimmer shadows. So looks like these 3 and these 2 are mattes. Everything else looks like a shimmer. Look how pretty that Mia is. I'm gonna do a look with these, but I'll swatch them all out for you guys. But they've got super cute names and they're all kind of vacation based. There's like Nakey, Belle, Squad, Bay, Alliance, Charmer. So this was a collaboration between Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics, and like I said, they just took all these influencers on a huge brand trip and they launched the palette there. I'm very excited to play around with these, especially this one right here, and actually this one. I feel like something fun could happen with these two together. Right here, the Mia and BFF shades. Yeah, so that's it. I have to say, all in all, for my first Boxycharm, this was a great box. All right, so we've got in this box for $21 palette, retail value of $36, mascara $20, South Maine beauty patches 10, makeup brush set $23.15, and blush $26. I'd say all of this together for the price of $21 is a fantastic deal. They typically do have a waiting list at Boxycharm, but it's open right now. I don't know how long it's going to be open. So if you're interested in Boxycharm at all, I would say definitely get on and at least get it before they close it up again, because the last time I tried to get on it, the waiting list was kind of a really long time. So it's open right now. Get on it while you can. I'll post the link down in the comments below. Let me know what kind of looks you want to see with these palettes. I'll do a few. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye, 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 bye.